Nnamdi Kanu is a teacher to Nigeria judiciary. Nnamdi Kanu is a teacher to Tinubu. Nnamdi Kanu is a teacher to lawyers. Nnamdi Kanu is a teacher to APC and PDP government. Nnamdi Kanu is a teacher to Nigeria. People want to listen. People want to learn. Now, more sure that they call him a be waiting that they call that Manjiri lawyer, judge, and other judges for the room of court. They carry barrow and paper. They write when Nnamdi Kanu they speak. They carry pen and paper. They write when Nnamdi Kanu they teach. Nnamdi Kanu not be anybody mate for Nigeria. A lion is a lion. Determination is a determination. Treasonable felony is a treasonable felony. Criminality is a criminality. Both eyewitness, both prosecutor or prosecutee, all of them, they learn, then they write, put something down for Nnamdi Kanu. Put something down for wait till Nnamdi Kanu they talk, then they write them down. Make them learn tomorrow. Judges and lawyers, they don't turn to students. Nnamdi Kanu don't turn to teacher. Now their law. Now Nnamdi Kanu, they quote, they read, they teach them. Nnamdi Kanu indeed, now today I know, indeed is a lion. Is a lion with blood hearts. He not they fear evil. He not they fear evil people. If you get heart like lion, you don't need to pray for evil, for your enemy. Shook your hand for their eye, for front of them. Nnamdi Kanu insult them. Omotosho, Manjiri, shoemaker, put wool for head. Now he come the judge Nnamdi Kanu, brilliant and intelligent man case. Shoemaker, Amanjiri, beggars. That is when how Nigeria has become. Now so Nigeria be. Shoemakers, they the arms of affair. They control Nigeria. Slave driving a horses. Wife free, born, rich children walking on best foot. They look, all of them carry barrow, carry paper. Be like say this man I teach you. Right, they teach us so that me I for use them tomorrow. Is a shame to Nigerians and Nigeria's government how this country has become into the hands of bandits. Into the hands of bandits, Nigeria. This man, when they put wool or montage, when they put wool for a hair, so he don't know anything. Nnamdi Kanu. Me, I not talk too much. No can listen to Nnamdi Kanu.
Useless black man. You don't know what justice means. You have no idea what justice means. You don't know what justice means. Useless black African people. You don't know the meaning of justice. Your constitution says you cannot try anybody unless the law is written. Show me the written law. Show me the written law. Don't touch me now. Why are you pushing me? Charity law. Are you okay? Don't go close. Don't try that rubbish. Don't try it. Don't try it. Go ahead and say don't try that rubbish. Don't try that rubbish. Useless people. You don't know law. You don't know law. Your own constitution you don't respect. Supreme Court judgment you don't respect. Then why are we in the court of law? Why are we in the court of law, I ask? Nonsense. You think Britain can ask you to jail me and you jail me? You are dreaming. You are dreaming. I'm telling you that you are dreaming. Nonsense. It's not anything wrong. You cannot. You cannot. You can't convict me. Are you insane? It's not possible. I'm not the Kanu. Who's going to try it? Nobody can. They've not killed them dead to the person.
If it is a sane country, if it is a country who obey laws, if it is a good country, like the Western country, Nnamdi Kanu will become a god. Then we pay him ransomly with a beg. Then we hold conference meeting UN. Then they beg Nnamdi Kanu for waiting Nigeria do this man. If it's a good country, you go root and convene and kidnap somebody from outside country, another country. That alone is a sabotage. That alone, both the country will release them to Nigeria, both Nigeria and both the police, both the plane will convince them, both the judges, and they still beat her out of. They beat this man. This man belly full. If you open his mouth, if he explode, you know say this Nigeria where they call your name after say I'm in Nigeria. You know say Nigeria na evil. Nigeria na hair. Nigeria government na hair. Na them be evil. If it is a good country, this man, they go they guide them like President Trump. Even more than President Trump. Now they go to guide this man. For waiting they do and so. 200 billion too so more. Now they can't go measure the money where they go put for a feet. If it is a good country. For a loan, you go kidnap somebody for another country. That country, they go sanction now. There is no remedy, no court go judge the case. That full country, then go first sanction now before they go pay for damage. That is why asylum is on the picture. When a government are fighting you for your country, or yes, something is anything government fighting you from a country, and you run away to another country, that country have right to protect you. That country have right, if it is your government, that country have right to protect you. Even when they come, they will not release you. Even when they knew that that person is in that country, like one of the Kanu go Kenya. Kenya have 100%, if not 200, the right to protect Nnamdi Kanu from Nigeria government. That alone, must Kenya, they release them, that alone will sanction that country. UN will take that country responsible for any damage they did to Nnamdi Kanu. Because the same Kenya, the same Nigeria are demonic country. Look, both of them. Now the same thing see they happen for the same country. The way where Nigeria government they loot, the way where Kenya they loot, the way where they run, now the way where Nigeria government they run. The same thing. That is why the person will run, he will not explain what is going on. They will not say, okay, then we go for investigation, and they will not protect him. But this one, they encroach on a fundamental human right. That alone, Nigeria is in trouble. That alone, Nigeria is in trouble. Away from that, Nnamdi Kanu. Let's forget about court. Let's forget about Supreme Court or Appeal Court. Let's forget about judge or judges. Let's forget about lawyers of law, or let's forget about constitution. This is our constitution, Nigeria. 1999 constitution, useless yeti, useless constitution. They cannot follow. They will not follow this useless constitution because it's useless. They know what they say, now useless it be. They know my useless. They cannot follow. They cannot obey it. Tinubu did not obey it. That is why he have to go for Muslim ticket. The judge not obey it. Person wey glitch not obey. The same judge go give Tinubu, put him for president. Now judge, now he announced Tinubu for president. Muslim ticket. Forget judges, forget Appeal Court, forget Supreme Court, forget all the judges, forget Nyoshoto, forget everything. What they have for this man is personal hatred. What they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu is greed, personal hatred, grief. What they are doing to this innocent man. They all know this man is innocent. Treasonable felony turned to criminality, turned to offense, turned to abuse, turned to what they have to this man. What they have to this man. Be your Buhari, be your Tinubu, be your judges, be your court, be your some Yoruba, some Fulani. What they have to these people is the more you look, the less you see. What they have for those people, the hatred, the witchcraft, the jealousy, the barbaric, the demonic heart they have for those people, Igbo people. What they have for Igbo people is the more you look, the less you see. Those ones that they are doing, and just the surface. If you give them chance, some Amajiri chance, Fulani chance, if you give some Yoruba chance to finish those people, say just give them not even AK-47, give them catapult. Don't talk catapult to AK-47 and start to fire the Igbos. I tell you the truth. I'm not an Igbo person. I will tell you the truth. This is beyond court. What they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu, it does not have anything to do with court. Because everything that conspires, everything that happened is against the court, is against the law. So it have anything to do with court. Now look at the court. Have you seen a court that is serious here? Do you see anything that they are doing there? Are they not playing? All of them are playing there. They are all playing. There's nothing going on. It's just a church play. Just nothing. Because they have nothing against this man. They cannot try him. They don't have anything against this man. But why they are detaining him, keeping him, going to court, is personal greed. Sorry to speak, is the greed when they start saying Yoruba, Fulani, Hausa, is the greed they have to the Igbos. A spade is a spade. Spoon is a spoon. Cutlass is cutlass. That is why you see marginalized everywhere. This is your constitution. They don't obey it. It's very, very useless and at the right hand. So they are all useless. Now it turn Nigeria like this. They are not obeying it. They don't have anything against this man. Nothing. What they have for this man is witchcraft, jealousy, hatred, and grief. They have for this man. Have you ever see anybody since this court begin. Have you ever seen anybody that challenge this man? Exhaustion, sir. Exhaustion, sir. How do you say it? This man, this is his case. This is his case. Una the Kanu lawyer, exhaustion, sir. It did not. It did not. It did not. The other court, the other lawyer will say, exhaustion, sir, which is the accuser. Exhaustion, sir. Look at so date, so year. Look at what he did. Look at not what he did. Una the Kanu lawyer, exhaustion, sir. Let him prove. Let's see it. If he did this, the law says this. That is how I seen court run before. But now, you will not see anything about this now. They can't wait. Then go to court. The next thing, you will see the camera putting on clothes. Everybody scatter. Go away. Una the Kanu became a teacher of the Constitution to Omotosho, to judges. Is to show how useless Nigeria government is. How demonic. What they are doing is a demonic to Nigeria and Nigeria states. Nigeria is finished in the hand of those people. It is finished. What they have for this man is devilish. It's devilish. This is it. It's devilish. This is it. What they have for Nnamdi Kanu. Not the 4 years. Tinubu will also finish his own tenure. Another person will take over. Is witchcraft and hatred, demonic art. I've never seen human beings like this. Look at judge. Then put as a judge for Nigeria to show how demonic and evil people they are. A lion remains a lion, even though it's inside the hole. Even though you want to pierce that lion, a lion is a lion. Even though you see a dead body on the floor, is a lion. Even animal that see dead body will still run first before you confirm him.